sometimes you want to name the wires which you are placing, and these are called net names. You have already seen here that we have put ground labels here to name the net ground, and we deleted the line, but still all these nets are connected together and they are called ground. Well, I can do the same for power supply, which is here. I can long press this icon and I will get the submenu when I can select different items. Let's say I select VCC power port. And when I put it on this wire, this wire is now labeled VCC. I can put it also here, and I can then delete this wire. If I press once on this wire, the whole wire is selected and will be deleted. But I want to delete only this segment, so I'll press again, and now these 2 points become red, and now I will delete only this line. Okay. Let me now name another net. Let's say I want to name this wire base. So I can go here, long press, and instead of wire I will choose net label. And I will select name base, and I will put it here. How did I do that? I pressed the tab, and then I went into this property mode when I put name base. Enter, and I'm here. Okay, emitter, here, and collector here. Escape. I'm now in the normal select mode. I will go and place some connectors. I went to the library connector and I chose the 2-pin connector to put to the input, and the other one to the output. I will press X to mirror it, and I will place it here. Again, I can use wire and connect it to the emitter. I have to use ground here. I will select ground. I will move it with shift, so it will be copied here and here. And now connecting these two together, I can also use wire if I want, but I will just show you for clarity. I can also use net label. I can name it input, and I will place it here, and another input is now at net label input is now at my mouse, and I can click it, place it here. Now these two are now connected together. Also the wire is not present because they have the same name. It's not very convenient to have so many net names, so I would suggest that you use only where it's necessary for clarity of the schematics. If every wire was named by the net, then it would make the schematics quite crowded.